The ability to weld aluminum in your shop can be a lifesaver, and although most people often reach for a TIG welder to do it, don't forget about the spool gun. It is a quick and easy way to glue aluminum together and is often the machine of choice when it comes to trailer manufacturing or even boat repair. The spool gun comes in a storage case that keeps everything you need in one place safe and secure, and once it's assembled, you can hook it up to the machine. A spool gun is essentially a MIG gun that holds a small spool of filler wire, in this case, aluminum wire. To change the machine to spool gun operation, in the MIG welding menu, you simply select the spool gun option. The gas will need to be changed to pure argon for aluminum MIG welding, and it uses the gas solenoid inside the machine to feed the spool gun. There's not a huge difference between MIG welding carbon steel and aluminum. One tip though, you do need to increase the travel speed of the gun because the aluminum acts like a big heat sink, soaking in all the heat from that molten puddle. So the longer the bead is, the faster you have to go.